Is your video file got corrupted or it is unplayable? Well, it happens many times with me being a video creator. My videos do get corrupted while shooting, screen recording, transferring, editing, converting or processing them. In those situations, I fix them in just few minutes. And in this video, I will tell you all how you can also repair that corrupted unplayable video. So if your video file has got corrupted due to any reason, watch this video full and you will get to know how to repair corrupt video files. So let's start this video and know the complete process. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals, back with another video, and as I said, I will be telling you all how to repair corrupt unplayable videos, and for that I will be using Wondershare Repairit. Here we are on official website of Wondershare Repairit. Wondershare Repairit can repair multiple corrupt videos in one go. It ensures instant and effective video repair irrespective of how your video got corrupted. Repairit supports many popular formats including MP4, MKV, MOV and many more. It can repair videos shot on any camera brands such as Canon, Nikon, Sony, GoPro, and can also repair videos shot on mobile phones as well. The best thing is that we can preview video files before saving them. Wondershare Repairit comes with advanced set of features that makes it the best video repair tool for users. Let's give it a try, and for that let's move back to top of the page and click on try it for free to download it. Download starts, and once completed, click on it to start with installation process. Once installation completes, click on start to open Wondershare Repairit. Here it is, so clean and simple UI. So even if you are a beginner to video repairing, you can try this out. Here I have two files which I recorded few days back, but one of them got corrupted while transferring it to laptop and is unplayable. And here is the second one, and this plays perfectly. You all will be thinking why I am showing the second file. Well, I will tell you all later if required. Now let's move back to Repairit and click on add. It opens a file picker. Browse through to open the corrupted file, and once we have added, click on repair. Oh, it does not get repaired. It comes up with a message, 0 files successfully repaired. Well, no need to worry at all. All files are not repairable due to severe corruption. And now we will use advanced repair to repair this video. Click on advanced repair and it asks for a sample video. The sample video should be recorded from the same camera or device. Now I will be selecting the second video file that I was showing few minutes back. It checks for it, and yes, it successfully completes checking. Now click on repair, it starts repairing, and now finally our corrupted file gets repaired successfully. Now from here we can preview and save it as well. Click on save and then select a location to save file. Let's choose the same folder and click on save. File gets successfully saved. Click on OK and it opens up file location. Here is our record video file. Now we can play it and enjoy access to corrupted video file so effortlessly. Repairit can repair videos. What do you say about it? Share your views in comments. Want to give it a try? Check the link in description and pin comment. Now let's talk about the pricing of Wondershare Repairit, and for that let's go back to official website, and now from here click on buy now, and here we have pricing plans for Windows version of Repairit. It is also available for Mac as well. Click on Mac users, and here is pricing plans for Mac version of Repairit. I will highly recommend you to try out Wondershare Repairit if you are looking to repair your corrupt unplayable videos. This is the best video repair tool available to repair corrupt unplayable videos. Check the link in description and pin comment to give it a try. This is what I had in this video. Hope you find this useful. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up and share your views in comments. Do consider subscribing to WM Originals for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.